Hello, 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 hello everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning America. Isang magandang umaga na puno ng pag-asa. Umagang kay ganda. Kaya I'm so excited, so happy. Pagkagising sa umaga na alam mo, naramdaman mo yung blessing Lord. And always think positive. Will always think positive. Lagi ko sinasabi yan kasi good things will happen to us. Kaya pag positibo ka sa buhay, hindi ka pabinabayaan ni Lord. God is always with us. So medyo maliwanag ngayon. So I need to get our glasses. Nakalimutan ko saan nailagay yung glasses ko for today. So ito na lang ang meron ako dito. So ang ganda ng buhay, lalo na excited. I just came back from Los Angeles, California, and I got fired up sa mga event na nangyari, when it comes to finance. So that's my favorite topic to talk about: financial education, financial workshop, and literacy. Na it changes my life, since 2023, I've been part of it until now. I can see the big difference in my life compared before that I didn't know about anything about finance. It's one of the best decision I ever made in my life to be part of this campaign. So napaka-excited talaga na if you're traveling, you're going to other places, meeting new people, different people, all walks of life, na alam mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo, lalo na if you are surrounded with amazing people. Kaya always live your life with purpose. Always live your life with positivity and prayer. Kaya isang magandang umaga na gumigising ka na happy, na wala kang tinatamaan na tao, wala kang ginagawang kasamaan. You always do something good thing. Kaya you can see in your face that you have a peace of mind. And of course, yun talaga. Kaya today it's Wednesday, na excited na ako kasi I can tell it's a new day in my life, na I woke up very early to think about my purpose in life. I woke up very early this morning to think about what is I can do good things in my life. Kasi marami tayong mga tao na gumigising sa umaga, hindi nila alam yung gagawin nila. Hello, good morning, Vigilia. If you're watching, I'm not sure kung saan sulok ng mundo. So, yung pinakamaganda na gigising ka sa umaga na may ngiti sa iyong mga labi. Gumising ka sa umaga na alam mo yung patutunguhan mo sa buhay. You have a clear vision. Gumising sa umaga na may mga pangarap ka na matutupad. So, I just coming back from Los Angeles, California. Nagating pa ako na isang beautiful event. That is my third time attended since 2023, na it changed myself, kasi lumaki ako na always positive in my life, because everything starts with your positive mindset. If you have positive mindset, all things happen to you is positive. Kaya I always think positively, kasi alam ko na marami akong matutupad, lalo na sa Amerika ako. Hindi lahat ng tao makapunta ng Amerika, hindi lahat ng tao mararating ko anumang meron ako na biyaya na binigay ng Panginoon sa akin. So I'm so blessed, I'm so grateful, especially with the love of my husband Randy, with my son Joseph and Jericho, na they always there to support and taking care of me. They always there to love me unconditionally. Kasi yun ang pinakamahalaga. At saka of course, sabay-sabay po kaming nangangarap at gusto naming matutupad. So my 22 years here in America, since dumating ako 2003, right now it's 2025. So meron tayong mararating na kagandahan. Kaya yun siguro yung, because I've been known for woman of hope, so one of the motto or one of my quote that I always talk about is, you must make a choice to take a chance or your life will never change. So ibig sabihin, you must make a choice to take a chance or your life will never change. Ibig sabihin, sa buhay, kailangan you take a chance, you take opportunity. Hindi lahat ng opportunity dumarating sa iyo, you to grab it. I'm so blessed na whatever opportunity came to my life, I always say yes for it. Kaya may mga bagay na kung hindi na karapat dapat, I will say no. We have a right to say no for those things na hindi nakatulong sa buhay natin. Kaya I'm so blessed and thankful na nagising ako ulit sa katotohanan na wag pa ako manatili sa isang bagay o community na hindi nakatulong sa buhay ko, na walang ambag sa buhay ko. Kaya I woke up one day, I say to myself, this is a good thing I like to do in my life. To focus on my journey, to my business, for my opportunity, for my work. Kasi hindi lahat kagaya sa akin na at least 2 to 3 incomes. You know, yung mga ibang tao, isang income pa lang nahirapan na. But I'm so blessed kasi, you know, my husband have income, my kid have income, have my own income, extra income. So it helped me to change my life na lahat ang gusto kong matutupad at mararating sa buhay na nagagawa ko. Kasi it's about my mindset na inisip ko na if you sacrifice so many things in life at the beginning, but work kasi maging success din. Parang isang estudyante na, hello sa aking pinsan na nanonood ngayon, watching from Bacolod, Paterno Agravante, you know, na kung may pangarap ka, magsimula ka sa walang-wala, you need to believe in yourself na may matutupad ka, you know. Kaya ganyan ako lumaki ako sa hirap, naglalakad lang noon, walang permanenteng tirahan. So ngayon nakita ko na yung sarili ko. Sa awa ng Diyos, at least we have at least 3 houses na sa Pilipinas. At saka may mga sasakyan at saka negosyo. So for me that mean a lot. Ibig sabihin, pinahalagahan ko yung mga bagay na binigyan ng Panginoon sa akin. Na, you know, kahit maraming mga negatibo na rinig ko sa mga tao, but I never think about them. I think what is the good thing I can do in my life. And I'm very positive in everything what I'm doing. Kasi our success, it depend upon us. Our future, it depend upon us. Walang gagawa ng iyong kinabukasan, kundi ikaw magsumikap at gumawa ng paraan. I know yung pinsan ko yan na nanonood from Bacolod, he can witness how our life before. You know, nung walang-wala kami, na nakatirala kami sa tabi ng ilog, ng mga panahon na yon, naglalaba, naliligo sa tabi ng ilog. So, God is good. Kasi nung pinadala niya ako dito sa Amerika, I go back to school to earn my degree. I go back to work, do a business, work na another sideline. Kaya yan talaga yung ano. Hi, Jerome is watching. Yung brother-in-law ko is watching there too. So, yun talaga pinakamalaga sa buhay na wag natin sayangin yung mga panahon, yung oras natin sa walang kwentang bagay. Kaya, pasalamat ako sa Panginoon na binigyan ako ng pagkakataon na to meet amazing people. Kasi ako risk taker ako eh. I ready to risk my life to put a bit of my family. You know? Ngayon, actually, pupunta ako sa store. Bibili ako ng flowers sa aking, gift ko sa aking isang teacher. Kasi I'm a director of the program. So, nag-manage ako ng iba-ibang school. So, isa sa mga teacher namin, na hawak ko na mini-mentor ko, birthday niya ngayon. So, bibili tayo sa store. So, like, come and join me. Hello, totoo yan. Sabi ng cousin ko, it's all about mindset. Yes, totoo. Mindset talaga. Kung gusto mo gumanda ang buhay mo, you start with your mindset na gaganda ang buhay ko. You need to manifest it. I will do it. Kasi ang natutunan ko is, you need to think big. When you think big, iniisip mo maging malaking bagay na magawa mo and do big things in your life and you work for it. Hindi yung nagsasalita ka, wala ka namang ginagawa. You know? So, right now we're in the store. Bibili tayo ng flowers. Okay, this is a Mexican store. Early in the morning, close to my work. Yan. And ito yung mga bulaklak dito. Yes, ano kayong bulaklak? Medyo mahal ang mga bulaklak dito eh. Let's see. This is $44. So, almost like 2,000 something in the Philippines or more. Yan, that's $25.99. Isa yun sa mga bulaklak na... So, ito na lang ibibilhin ko yung $25.99. Regalo ko to sa aking coworker. So, this is my gift for my coworker sa isang teacher na naging part ng aking journey. Kasi ako mahal na mahal ko yung mga teacher na mini-mentor ko. So, I'm be proud kasi nakakuha ako ng license sa being a director of the program. And this one, magaganda dito yung mga orchids. Yan, yun yung mga orchids dito. I'm not sure her favorite color. Ito na lang siguro. Yan. Ito na lang kasi mas medyo ano siya mabigat. Sandali, kunin natin. Yes, hello Ate Edna. So itong flower bilhin natin. And maghanap ako muna ng cake. Wala pala akong dalang whip. Bibili muna tayo ng cake. Hello, good morning po. Hi, kamusta po? Miss Elena, for watching. Si Alim yun, kamusta dyan? So, maghanap muna tayo ng cake. Bit-bit ko na yung bibilhin ko. It's a surprise for my coworker. Sa isang teacher. Kasi I'm working in the school. isa ako sa director ng school program namin na minamanage kong 3 eskwelahan dito sa area namin sa City of San Jose. So ngayon, binili ko na yung flowers. Iwanan ko muna dito sa counter. Sandali lang. Kasi maghanap muna tayo ng cake. Okay. Wow, ang daming mga cake dito, di ba? Different kind of cake. Maganda dito, okay? 3 delicious. Maganda rin yan. Yan. Ooh, round cake. Ano kayang cake ang bibilhin ko dito? Round cake. Yan. Okay. At saka meron din mga cupcakes. Hindi naman ako talaga mahilig kumain ng cakes. Pero, dahil birthday, ito na lang para more healthier siya. May strawberries. Oh, mura lang. $17 lang. So good. Ito na lang. May strawberry, carrot, strawberry, peach, and kiwi. So ito na lang bibilhan natin na cake. At lagyan na lang ng happy birthday. Hello, amiga. Kumusta? So, mag-Spanish muna tayo, okay? I speak Spanish. Hi, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás, amigas? Yeah, nombre para, what do you call in cake en español?
¿Quiere que le ponga nombre?
Yeah, nombre, feliz cumpleaños, Sylvia.
No se puede, ¿ah? ¿Ponerle nombre a una tarta de fruta?
No, like a card on the top?
Happy birthday,
Yeah, maybe like, you have like a stick with a happy birthday? Okay. So, hello po. Kamusta po kayo dyan? So, ngayon, bumibili tayo ng cake para kay Sylvia, one of my coworker, a flower. So, today, birthday niya is February 19. So, isurprise ko siya sa work niya. And then, ito yung Spanish word ng happy birthday. Really, completo. So, maybe we get one of this. Alam mo may yung mga right here. Tumiliin natin. Going with the flowers. Ilagay na lang natin dito sa flowers ko. Yan na. At saka yung cake na happy birthday. Can I pay everything here? Together? Okay. Right now, itong babayaran natin sa counter. This person is very special to me. Yeah, the blue one. Yeah. So right now, hola amiga, ¿cómo te llamas?
Mireya.
Huh?
Mireya.
Oh, Maria. Maria is helping me right now. Maria is a Latina, Mexican, right? So, right now we're paying. This is my gift for my co-teachers. Oh, sandali lang, ha? Hopefully, good morning, Tita Lou. Hi, Tita Lou. Birthday ngayon ni Sylvia. Kaya bilhan ko siya ng cake, at saka flowers, at saka balloon, para ma-happy naman sa ma-surprise sa birthday niya. Yan. Yan. Oo, kaya, so yung kwento ko kanina na I'm so excited talaga na Tita Lou is watching and she was an amazing mentor na nakilala ko dito sa Amerika na kinakonsider ko parang ate ko.
45.
Don't worry, I understand. 45, more 21, okay. So, she said $45.21. So, yun talaga ito magbayad. Yun, ang flower and everything. Okay, we need to pay now. You know, no. Maglagay muna natin ng code natin. Yan, it's a lot of bread over here. Approve, thank you. So, nakabayad na tayo. So, it's time to get now. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. Yeah. So, she's happy. I try to speak a little bit Spanish. Okay? So, let's go na. We're going to my work. Oh my God. Bit na natin yung... I forgot to bring the card, huh? I think I need to get the card. Okay? So, bit na natin yung flowers and cake. So, walk muna tayo, ha? Samahan niyo ako kasi nahirapan ako. Kasi may bit akong cake. At may bit akong flowers. So, habang nandiyan kayo, walking muna tayo. So, it's time to go out. Okay, we're gonna go out. Or they close it? Yan, pasensya na. Hawak ko muna yung, bit ko yung Oh, they close everything now. Maganda lang dito sa work ko. Malapit ako sa mga store. So before going to work, pwede akong lumabas. Hi, good morning. So, we need to go around right here. Ang ganda ng store na to kasi yan, okay. Yan, habang naglalakad po ako, samahan niyo ako kasi okay, let's go to find my car. Wow, medyo malamig ngayon dito. So, wala tayong choice. Nag-iisa ako. I want to make sure na ma-happy yung coworker ko sa birthday niya ngayon. And for everybody watching, hello Mel, kamusta ka? And hello Marvin Alonso, isang magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi sa inyo kung saan kayong sulok ng mundo. So, let's go to walk in my car. You know, malapit na tayo sa sakyan ko. That's good. Kasi mahirap yung bit-bit mo yung kablang kamay mo may bit-bit. Dalawang kamay ko may bit-bit. So, ito na yung sasakyan natin. Okay, buksan ko muna. Kung saan ko ilagay yung aking na yung bulaklak. Mga bulaklak dyan. Hopefully hindi matumba yung bulaklak ko dyan. Mga gamit ko for my work. At saka yung umbrella ko. At saka yung susi ko. Okay, so thank you so much na sinamahan nyo ako. Kunin ko muna yung cake. Kasi pinatong lang dito sa taas ng sasakyan ko. Okay, maganda kasi ano siya eh. It's a fruit tart. So prutas. Yung dalhan natin medyo mahilig sa mga sa dessert. Not my car. Okay, lagay muna sa likod ng sasakyan natin yung cake na yan. And okay, samahan nyo na ako. Let's go to my work. Nakuha ko na yung regalo ko na flowers. Oh, sayang, lumipad yung balloons. Oh my God, ibali na lang. Sayang pa yung balloons na yun na lumipad. Nahulog nang naglakad ako. So, thank you so much. So, excited kasi the month of love at saka birthday ng coworker ko. Kaya surprise ko siya. Kasi yun ang alam ko na pwede ko mabili for today. Kasi wala na akong time maghanap kung anong bilhin ko. So, at least you have a fruit tart, birthday cake, at saka lumipad yung balloon. Okay lang. At saka yung flower. So, let's go to my work. So, balik tayo sa pinag-usapan natin kanina. Nasa buhay talaga, kailangan maging masipag tayo. Kung gusto natin umasenso, you work hard. Walang umasenso na tao na umupo lang, kumain at matulog. You need to do something in your life, you know. May gagawin ka para maging mabuti ang buhay mo. At maging mabuti ka ring tao sa lahat ng oras at sa lahat ng panahon. At saka yung success is na only happening over time. O sa isang oras na pagsumikap mo, is a consistent focus and discipline. Gawin mo yan araw-araw, maging habit mo. Kaya yun ang pinapractice ko ngayon, that when I'm working hard, now what I said earlier is you must make a choice to take a chance or your life will never change. So since I have opportunity, I have a chance, I need to do my best in life. Lalo na when it comes sa family ko, lalo sa aking special son. Meron akong special son was diagnosed with autism. Nung 4 years old siya, ngayon she's gonna be turning 23 years old. And then I have another son, 19 years old, turning 20. So sila yung pinakamahalaga sa buhay ko. Kasi sila yung mga tao na kahit anong mangyari to my family, sabi nga nila, I'm lapping one sa isa sa mga natin akong workshop. You can change your wife, you can change the people around you. Of course, hindi mo pwede i-change yung family mo. Diba? Yung kung sino family mo, pamilya mo, mga anak mo, hindi mo pwede palitan. You know? Pwede, pati mga magulang mo, hindi mo rin mapalitan. So, boyfriend mo, asawa mo, or kaibigan mo, pwede mo palitan, di ba? So, you to find a right person who will support you. Pero kung family mo, hindi mo talaga mapalitan, kung ano man mangyari sa buhay, you always there to support and taking care of them. So, yun ang pinakamahalaga sa buhay natin. Kaya guys, thank you so much na sinamahan nyo naman ako sa isang sa ilang minuto na sa aking pag-share at pagkipagkwentuhan sa inyo at pagkamustahan. Hoping and praying everyone is in good condition, you are in good health, at saka bless ni Lord, sa buhay natin kasi kailangan i-enjoy natin kung anong meron tayo. At maging positive yung ating mga mindset. Kasi kung hindi tayo positibo sa buhay, wala tayong mararating. Kasi yun ang hirap sa atin minsan na mga Pilipino, na palaging, hindi ko kaya, mahirap yan. Hindi mo pa nga nasimulan, nahirapan ka na. In order to be successful in life, kahit ano pang paghirap na pagdaanan mo, yan ang natandaan ko na sinabi ng anak ko na she always telling me the word na palagi daw hindi makalimutan sa akin, never give up, never back up. Basta alam mo, tama yung pinaglaban mo para sa kabutihan mo at sa sarili mo at saka sa future mo, so keep going. Don't quit, kasi yung mga quitter hindi naging successful sa buhay. So I'm thankful to God na lahat ng kabutihan ginagawa mo maging successful kung naniniwala ka sa sarili mo at sa mga gagawin mo. So now I'm here in my work sa other school. And guys, thank you so much and I love you all at maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Again, salamat ako naging part kayo ng journey ko, Ate Edna, sa mga lahat na nanonood at nakikinig dyan, kung saan sulok man kayo ng mundo, enjoy life and always remember na sinabi ko, you must make a choice to take a chance or your life will never change. Kailangan talaga na maging risk taker ka, you give chance to yourself na maging maganda ang buhay mo. And you need to find a way how to do it and be successful in life. And thank you so much to my brother-in-law, Jerome, for watching me and supporting me in my business. And sa aking cousin na of course, Paterno Agravanti, for watching. And Tita Lu, thank you so much for your love and support. And for me, Tita Edna, and to everyone. And Alamion, thank you. And Miss Elena, for all of you guys watching me around the world. Maraming salamat at mula sa aking puso ako ay nagpapasalamat at sinasama ko kayo sa aking mga dasal. Again, thank you so much. I love you all and God bless us all. See you next time. Again, ako ay Narita Compuriet, nagsabi ang buhay ay puno ng pag-asa. Sa Diyos lang tayo umaasa at magtiwala sa ating mga sarili. There's always hope and love with God. I love you all and mabuhay. Thank you.